so fine, but her breath is like, whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she...
Oh no! Oh no, honey. What's your problem? What's your problem, huh? Ooh.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
Don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It could just be.
Okay, so people are doing this thing where they're giving eggs to dogs because apparently they know how gentle it is and the egg won't break. So I'm going to try this with Doc and see what he does. Okay, I'm going to need that egg back. Come here. What are you going to do with that egg? Will you give it back to me? Jack, give me the egg. I need the egg. You gotta give me the egg back, buddy. So apparently Dak thinks the egg is like his little buddy he must protect.
You got the egg. I heard that if you give your egg to a dog, that they don't break it because of no fragile. So lucky, 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 lucky. Where are you taking me?
Get a husky, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're very cute and smart and intelligent, they said. They play with you and they laugh with you and they enjoy every daily life, they said. Well, what the ass?
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool follow your love. But I don't even know how to get this.
What the fuck was that? You're okay. Yeah?
Looking at the lights. What is that?
Check out, I'm blonde, I'm skinny, I'm rich, and I'm a little bit of a bitch.
Coconut, please. Please. Please, no. Coconut, please. Stop. Coconut, please. Stop, stop, stop.
约定的相聚了下课铃，已经约好在操场等你。夏天真的是冷的可以， 带你去吃草莓冰淇淋。
Oh my god! He has sunglasses on! No! He's so cool! You're the coolest, man!
It's time to walk. Okay. God, you're so good. It's alright. He's trying to sweat.
Oh dear.
Alright, goodbye, Bailey.
This ain't the cutest shit.
This is how you tell the difference between a purebred dog and an inbred dog. This is a purebred dog. And this is an inbred dog. See?
You can't get that way. Come on. Come on. Oh. Head them the other way. Good girl. Oh, oh, you're so good.
The circle is to verify that I do in fact need to poop. The second is to check for gremlins and men with beards and hats. The third is to re-verify my need for pooping.
Don't you dare! Ah! Don't! Sadie? My child is completely fine.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
I've been really sick and I want to get up, so they're both watching me. Whenever I'm sick like this, the second I go to move, they turn to look and see if I need help. Get meds, get drink. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Thank you.
Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck. Fuck.
Fuck! Oh my god.
And the beauty of it all, when the sun comes shining through, to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes.
Bum 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 bum. Mr. Sandman.
You know, it makes me really sad that people hate on others for using certain voices with their dogs. Because the thing is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. And I start talking like this. Then he knows that I'm talking.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Нельзя. Нельзя. Нет. Обиделся, что ли? Нельзя. Нельзя.